I'll keep it with the theme of recording everything today. I'm making the modified lids for the rest of the liquid culture jars, while the ones that I just poured in the last video are sterilizing in the pressure cooker. I already poked 2 holes with the hole punch. Just did one on each side. One of them I do a double layer of the micropore tape, and then on the other side, I've done 2 of these already. I didn't know if I wanted to record this or not. I do a little dollop on each side it's a clear adhesive sealant. There's a good trick that I learned from, I don't know who, but it was some dude on YouTube, like the most popular liquid culture video. Let's see if I can get, that's good enough. All right, so I do a nice big dollop on the top. It's not gonna be flat right away. I just wanna get a good amount on there. That's fine. There's a little bit poking through the bottom already. Let's do a little bit more. And what this is the self-healing injection port. When I eventually get some agar wedges in these jars and then extract them with a syringe. But what this is, so this is the tip. So it's like a damp paper towel, and you just dab down this big old dollop until you get like a dime size, penny size little blob like that. It's decent coverage, just a little quick dabs. And this is, I honestly don't know what I would do without this trick. This would be kind of a hassle to figure that out, because I've done it with a dry paper towel before just to see, and it was it got messy. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that a few more times, and these jars will just hang out until, honestly, it might be the last liquid culture I make for a while, until I get some new mushroom strains that I'm interested in growing. Because at the moment, I have 3 bags of the King Trumpet. I'm probably gonna have another 3 bags of hopefully shiitake, and then 3 bags of lion's mane, and that'll pretty much be my full grow tent, except for the bottom shelf, which I'm saving for a mono tub. I want to try growing some different, like, non-hardwood loving mushrooms and see how difficult that is. But until I get there, then these will probably sit empty for a little while and just cure. They take about, a few hours until you can handle them, and not worry about messing up this whole process. But it's safe to say about 24 to 48 hours before you want to do any injecting or anything like that with these. But you're probably not going to run into that issue. What I was thinking I wanted to say for this one was, this is like my first time doing a lot of this stuff, So if any of this is interesting, or, you see some other hobby on YouTube that you want to get into, it's like, dude, I'm like 23 years old living at my mom's place, and it's like, I work and go to school and do all that, but, I still have the time and the freedom to explore new hobbies and stuff, and this one is just particularly interesting. So don't be shy thinking you're going to screw stuff up and that's going to, withhold you from trying something that you might find enjoyable. So, you saw the jars I had before. It's like, I doubt they're going to be growing anything. I'm going to make mistakes along the way too. But, yeah, don't be scared to try stuff out. Yeah, that'll do it. Got these. Oh, I got one more. Well, I'll do that one off camera. But that's it for these.